morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? Howdy, howdy do, hello, good day. Now that we're together, learning so much fun, the more of us, the better. So come on, everyone. Good morning. How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? Howdy, howdy do, hello, good day. Howdy, howdy do, hello, good day. Hey friends, welcome to Circle Time with Dr. C. I am Dr. C and we're going to be having fun together today, learning all types of cool things, okay? Welcome to my class and I'm so glad to have you here. How are you today? That's good. I'm fine. Nice to meet you all. I'm so glad to see you. Can you guys help me find out what today is? I am so lost. I don't know. What I do know is there are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. And I have a song that I want you guys to sing with me. I'll sing it first and then you can join along, okay? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. You sing with me. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. One more time. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Yay! Good job. Very nice singing. All right, so can you help me figure out what today is? Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. Yesterday was Wednesday. When we say yesterday, we mean the day before, okay? So if yesterday, the day before, was Wednesday, what is today? What's the very next day? Thursday. So today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday, the day before, was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. What will tomorrow or the day after be? Tomorrow will be Friday. Can you guys help me fill out my chart? Yes, very good, cool. All right, so let's talk about that. We said that there are 7 days in a week. And if I can get them out of my little bag, because I have all of my good stuff in this little bag, my magic stuff to make you super, super smart in this bag. So we said we had 7 days in a week. And they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, so What did we say yesterday was? Wednesday. Very good. We said that yesterday was Wednesday. Can you read with me? Yesterday was Wednesday. Let's put Wednesday right here. Yesterday was Wednesday. Well, if yesterday was Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Well, no, not what will tomorrow be. What is today? Well, what is today? Yesterday was Wednesday. What is today? Thursday. Very good. Today is Thursday. Very good. Today is Thursday. Now, if today is Thursday, what will tomorrow or the day after, what will it be? Friday. Very good. Very smart learning. Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Let's read these sentences. Listen and repeat. Yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. Today is Thursday. Very good. Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Tomorrow will be Friday. And there's something that is really, really cool about Saturday and Sunday, because on Saturday and Sunday, we stay home. We don't even go to school on Saturday and Sunday. Isn't that awesome? Yay, very good. So we've learned about our days of the week. Can you guys help me figure out what the weather is? What is the weather? Can you use your looking eyes? Can you use your looking eyes and look out your window and see what the weather is? I'm going to use my looking eyes to see what the weather is outside. So I have used my looking eyes to look outside and see what the weather is. And where I live, the season is summer. Summer. Can you say summer? Yes, the season is summer. So it is hot. Oh, it is hot. It is hot outside. So out my window, the sun is out. The sun is out. So we call that sunny. It is sunny outside. So I'm going to say that it is sunny. But the sun is out and it's the summertime and it's hot. So I'm going to say hot. Read with me. The season is summer. Today's weather is sunny and hot. It's hot. So hot outside. What do we wear in the summer? Do we wear a coat? No, that's silly. Do we wear boots? No, that's silly. Do we wear shorts? Yes, we wear shorts. Do we wear bathing suits? Yes, we wear bathing suits because we go swimming in the summer. Very good. Thank you for helping me figure out what I should wear today. Very good. All right, let's talk about our number for this week that we're going to talk about. Our number for the week is very, very special. I actually like this number because it is the first number that I learned, and it is the first number that I teach to all of the kids that I've ever taught, including my own kids. And it is the number 5. 5. Can you guys show me 5? Very good. It's the number 5. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the number 5. Let's spell the number 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Very good. So how I teach the number 5 is I like to start by teaching you how to write the number 5, and then we're going to do this really, really cool little game with 5 in it, okay? So here's a song that I love that teaches you how to write the number 5. Come right over, come down and around. Come right over, come down and around. Come right over, come down and around. And that's the number 5. Sing with me. Come right over, come down and around. Come right over, come down and around. Come right over, come down and around. That's the number 5. Very good. So our number for the week is going to be the number 5. It's going to be the number 5. And I love this activity that we're going to do because we're going to talk about the number 5. The number 5. All right. So I'm going to tell you a story and you're going to help me count the number 5. Okay? Good job. All right. 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh no. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many do we have now? We had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One's gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. What happened? How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. What happened? 1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Where'd it go? One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Where'd they go? 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. They all fell off and bumped their heads. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, 5 little monkeys, go to bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monkeys. Yay, very good. You guys did awesome with that. So our number for the week is the number 5. Very good, the number 5. All right, now let's talk about our letter for the week. Choo-choo. Our letter for the week is the letter B. The letter B. B says B. Can you say B? Very good. B says B. Very good. Let's see if we can think of some things that says B. Ball. Ball. B. Butterfly. Butterfly. B. Bee. Ouch. Bee. Balloon. B. Balloon. B. Very good. All of those things begin with the letter B. Let's trace the letter B. What does it look like? We go down and around and around the letter B. Let's do that again. Down and around and around. Very good. The letter B. Awesome. You guys are super smart. I love working with you guys. Let's talk about our color for the week. What is our color this week? Blue. Yes, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Do you see anything blue? My sweater is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue, very good. I have a song that I love to sing for the color blue. Can you help me sing? Okay, I'll sing first and then you guys will do it again together, okay? B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue. The ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? All right, you gonna sing with me now? Come on. B-L-U-E spells blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? The big sky is blue. The ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Great singing. Very good. You guys sing really, really great. So our color for the week is going to be blue. Our color for the week is going to be blue. All right. The last thing that I want to talk about with you guys before I let you go, my friends, and I'm going to be so sad because what am I going to do until I see you again? The last thing we're going to do is talk about a shape for the week. And our shape for the week is a circle. Our shape for the week is a circle. And the circle is a very special shape because it only has one line that goes round and round. One line that goes round and round. Circle. So, can you think of anything that begins or that not begins? Can you think of anything that is shaped like a circle? What about the sun? The sun is shaped like a circle. What about a wheel? A wheel on your bike. A wheel on your bike is shaped like a circle. One more. A balloon. A balloon is shaped like a circle. And a circle has one line that goes round and round. Round and round it goes. All right, so that is going to be our shape for the week. You guys have been awesome help. Thank you so much for helping me, and thank you so much for coming to learn with me. I hope to see you again real soon. Until I do, I love you all. Be blessed. As always, be a blessing. See you next time, friends. Bye.